Hey everybody, Luminestra here. So I've had a couple of questions about how do you set up a text-to-speech. So a lot of people have seen the video from TimtheTatman. So how do you set up text-to-speech using bits? So it's very, very simple. All you have to do is go to Streamlabs. You're going to go to your dashboard. Now here's the thing. If you have this set up for TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, make sure that this is in fact set to Twitch. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your alert box. Then you're going to go to your bits. Right here, you'll see where it says open text to speech. Make sure you have this enabled. You can set the minimum amount of bits for it to read. So some people have it set to, if you donate 1 bit, it'll have a text to speech. I have it set to a minimum of 100 bitties. One of the fun things about the text-to-speech bot that's built in is that you can actually change the voices so they sound different. So play around with that. You have different accents, and then you have different languages in general. Really, really cool stuff. Then what you do is I put my spam security to low. If you're worried about people that are going to be massive trolls, you can set that higher. I have the text-to-speech, the message template disabled. I have the volume to about 60. I don't really care about the repetitiveness. It's a lot of fun and funny when people kind of do the repetitiveness. And then all you have to do is go save settings, and that is it. You have text-to-speech on your bits. For a really quick reference, guys, when you go to your donation tab, it's the exact same thing. If you don't want your bits and you just want donations to be text-to-speech, you just open this up, set your minimum amount, and there you go. It's that simple, you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, the last step you want to do here is you're going to come into your Streamlabs OBS. You're going to add a source. You're going to hit this little plus button. You're going to add the alert box. That's going to allow you to do the bits, the donations, the follows, all of that stuff. You can choose what you want to add, and then you simply hit done. And then that's it. If you guys found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will be having more tips and tricks on how to develop a stream so you guys can just hit the ground running rather than having to learn this on your own.